This morning, Luigi Mangione expected back in New York State Court. The hearing is set to be procedural and likely brief.
This whole situation here, it doesn't make sense.
The proceeding happening just days after the release of the latest documentary on the brazen murder of UnitedHealthcare CEO Brian Thompson.
He could have done a lot of good in this world, and he was taken way too soon.
Not guilty.
The Ivy League grad pleaded not guilty to gunning down Thompson, a father of two in New York City, for his company's annual investor meeting. The murder triggered a manhunt for a killer who at first appeared elusive. 5 days after the shooting, police arrested Mangione at a Pennsylvania McDonald's, eating breakfast by himself. According to prosecutors, he was found with a Gosk gun that matched bullet casings from the crime scene, together with writings denouncing the health insurance industry.
I was targeted, premeditated, and meant to sow terror.
The crime prompted an outpouring of long-simmering anger towards health insurance companies, and in some cases, support for Mangione himself, including donations to a defense fund, which to date has raised more than $500,000. In a statement posted on a website set up by his defense team, Mangione thanked his supporters, writing, "I am overwhelmed by and grateful for everyone who has written me to share their stories and express their support." The 26-year-old, who comes from a wealthy and respected family in Baltimore, is now being held in the Metropolitan Correctional Center, a notorious federal prison in Brooklyn. Criticized in the past for its conditions, it's where Sean Diddy Combs also awaits trial. The legal process will likely take years. Mangione faces federal and state murder charges in New York, as well as gun charges in Pennsylvania. The scheduled appearances in courtrooms are only just beginning.
The hearing is set to take place at 2:15 this afternoon. There are already people lined up outside of this courthouse, and it is very cold here. The expectation, according to someone with direct knowledge, is that the judge is going to tell both sides the information they have to share and likely going to check on the prosecution's progress with turning over evidence in the case. Willie?
All right, Steph, thank you very much.
Hey, thanks for watching. And don't forget, you can catch the Today Show every morning on NBC or take Today when you're on the go. Just follow the Today podcast on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you listen.